Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today, y'all? Your girl, I know. Please don't judge me, and I won't judge you. Okay, y'all? I know this is not the Fagos, okay? I know that. I got them, but I did not put it into the refrigerator, okay, y'all? So I'm just drinking what I had in the refrigerator, y'all. I also have me a Caesar salad, y'all. Let's get into it. It's a chicken Caesar salad. But, y'all, ooh. This container is so cheap. Look at this, y'all. So cheap. Let's get into it, y'all. Look at that salad. Okay, y'all. Let me say my grace real quick, and I'm going to put all my toppings up on there. Oh, by the way, y'all, don't mind my hair, okay? Stay tuned for the glow up. Y'all know my birthday is coming up, y'all, on Tuesday. So y'all just wait. Just stay tuned. Your girl about to get right, okay? This right here is just the first process of what's coming next, okay, y'all? Thank you, Jesus, for this food that I'm about to receive. I ask you bless the hands I prepared it, Lord. Allow for it to be nourishment to my body, Lord. I also ask, Lord, you allow for someone's heart to be touched, Lord, to feed those, Lord, that doesn't have a meal, Lord. And I also ask, Lord, you continue to keep us, Lord, continue to protect us, Lord. In Jesus' name, Lord, I pray, amen. Okay, y'all, we're going to get straight into it because your girl is on starvation. Y'all comment down below and tell me what y'all eating today. I'm not going to be here before you long, okay, y'all? And I always say that. I know. But, y'all, my plan is to not be here before you long, okay, y'all? Let me show y'all what I have. I have some red onions on here. I have some black olives. I have some tomatoes. And I also have some peppers. Red pepper, green peppers, cucumbers. What else, y'all? And chicken. I think that's it. Yeah. Yep, that's it, y'all. I'm about to cut up everything, y'all, because I like my stuff to be bite-sized. So, y'all, I'm going to cut up everything. I'm excited for my birthday, but I also am going to miss my baby when he go back to school, y'all, because he literally goes back on my birthday. I might have to get something else. It's right here. Ooh. Y'all, I'm dropping chicken. Y'all, clock that, okay? Y'all, I was craving a salad. And y'all, I like real salads. And when I say real salads, I mean like romaine lettuce. You get what I'm saying? I do not like iceberg lettuce. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at this. Ain't no way. I can't stand no butter, no tomato, y'all. Y'all, that makes me... I do not like the butts of the tomato. That turns me off every single time I see it. Because I'm like, it is not to that point that we got to be using butts of the tomatoes. You get what I'm saying? Like, don't nobody got time to be eating that little hard part inside the middle. You got a whole tomato. You don't need that part. Like, why is that even up in here? Y'all, that be blowing me. This right here is the ranch avocado. And then I'm also going to put a little bit of, what is this called? Caesar. Let me taste this Caesar. I should taste it first. Okay, yeah, we're going to stop that there. We ain't going to put no more of that. Because that's like a little tart. Let me taste the crouton. Yeah, I'm not like a crouton person. I don't really like croutons for real. No. They said they got some Old Bay seasoning or something up on here. I don't like that. That's nasty. Alright, y'all, moving on. We just gonna leave the salad like that. Because that is disgusting. Ugh. It tastes like Old Bay croutons. Yuck. Alright, y'all. Give your girl a second. I'll be right back. Off camera, I added some feta cheese to it, y'all. I'm about to open her back up because I was about to shake her up off camera. But then I forgot, y'all. I do like a little bit of raisins in my salad. Comment down below if you like raisins in your salad. Cranberries, let me know. Put a little bit of raisins. And y'all, I also like sunflower seeds as well. These right here are unsalted, de-shelled sunflower seeds, okay? I put a little bit of these too. And then y'all, I promise y'all we gonna get into this mukbang, okay? Like I said, I'm not gonna be before y'all long. I'm gonna take a couple of bites, y'all. And then I'm gonna get up off of here because I gotta pack up my son's backpack. I gotta do that, put all his stuff inside his backpack. I might show y'all what I got for him. Y'all, I gotta hold this container tight because it is so cheap. Y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all want me to show y'all what I got him. You know, what all he got to take to school. Y'all let me know and I'll put out a little video for y'all. I might do a little short. I don't know yet. Y'all just comment down below. Oh. Oh, good Lord, I can't even get her open. They don't want to stay closed and they don't even want to open up either. Alright, y'all. Let me get her up on my tray right. So I don't know if this part right here bothering y'all or not. It's bothering me, y'all. So I'm just going to cut it off. Boom. Perfect. Okay, y'all. Let's get into it, alright? Hold on, wait. Hold on. Ooh. Alright, y'all. Oh, I got dressing on me. Oh, my goodness. My boob done touched this right here part, y'all. And I done got dressing up on my boob, y'all. Thick girl problems, okay? Clock it. Alright, y'all. Do I get everything? Yeah, I got everything. I'm going to take a sip first because your girl is thirsty. Okay, y'all. This right here is the Crush Peach Soda. Never had it before. Cheers. Mm. Fumbling. Yeah, I don't even know. I'm about to come back to that because I don't even taste no peach. And I don't know if it's just me. But y'all, I ain't tasting no peach at all, okay? Could just be me. Y'all, I don't like my salad with a whole lot of dressing. So if it looks dry to you, it probably is, okay? But I just don't like a lot of dressing. Alright, y'all. So back to what I was saying, y'all. I'm not going to be here long because I done dropped the sunflower seed. I'm not going to be here long because I got to pack up my son's backpack. I still have quite a bit to do tomorrow for my birthday. You get what I'm saying? So I want to pack him up tonight, pack up his backpack. You know what I'm saying? Have him ready for school. So then that way, you know, I'm not trying to squeeze everything into tomorrow. Me trying to do everything in one day. Because like I said, I do still have a lot to do tomorrow to prepare for my birthday. But this year, he didn't need a lot of stuff, thank God. I feel like ever since that he got out of elementary school, he hasn't needed a lot of stuff. Like in elementary school, they asked for a whole bunch of stuff. Paper towels. Might as well say toilet paper too. But they want like Ziploc bags and, I mean, everything. Tissue. Like, you name it. That's good. That's really good. Yeah, that's really good. And what's crazy is, I didn't even give y'all no bite. So disrespectful. Okay. There y'all go. Open up. That's right. Okay, my turn. Mm-hmm. It's really good. I just got one of them raisins, y'all. Yum. And something about a little bit of sweetness. Y'all, I normally like pickled beets inside of here, but it ain't no more. And I didn't know. Because I already got some from the store. But it wasn't on my list. Yum. What kind of salads do y'all like? Let me know that. I love a good Caesar salad. And chef salad. I like chef salad too. Yeah. I can't keep stuff off of my shirt. Like, yes, I am an adult. I cannot keep food off of my shirt, y'all. Maybe I should have chopped up the lettuce some too. Because, see, I didn't do that. I just chopped up everything else. Y'all, I think I might add me a little bit of hot sauce to my salad. Like, am I the only person? I'm probably the only person that put hot sauce on their salad. Comment down below if you put hot sauce on your salad. Yeah, I'm probably the only person. I don't think I know nobody else that put hot sauce on their salad. But when I tell y'all that crystals turn the salad up a notch. Yeah. To me, it tastes like, it's like it turns it into like a creamy, like Italian dressing. If that makes sense, because y'all know that the hot sauce has, like, you know, that vinegar taste to it. Bomb. That bite has a little bit of everything. Yum. What did y'all do this weekend? Let your girl know. Y'all, it is so hard to get birthday stuff together for myself and my son together for school. So, I know I've been missing for a couple of days. I did have death in my family. And then on top of that, y'all, back to school. You know how it is when you lose someone, especially somebody you're close to. So it's like, yeah. You get what I'm saying? You have good days. You know, then you have them days when you miss your loved one, of course. Which is normal, you know. So, you're gonna need a little bit of time off. And who knows, y'all, I might need another day. You know what I'm saying? Because it's still fresh, you know. That's all. But I'm okay. And then, y'all know my son's birthday just passed on the 6th of August. So getting his birthday stuff together and school and mine and school, because like, let's just be real, you're mainly getting school stuff together like for the whole month of August. You get what I'm saying? Some of July too, depending. That's a lot. That is a lot, y'all. But your girl made it work. Okay? Because normally I don't celebrate my birthday, y'all. I just do. You know, I don't really do too much at all, to be honest, on my birthday. Normally I'm just focused on my son and school. Because every year they go back to school either the day before my birthday or on my birthday, y'all. So it's like, excuse me. Oh, good Lord. So it's like, I don't really be thinking about trying to plan anything for my birthday. I'm just going to keep it real with you. But this year, I am, you know, trying to celebrate myself a little bit as well. Yeah. Okay, y'all. Now since I ate some and then taste the soda, it does taste like peach. It's not really that strong, but it ain't weak either. Put it that way. But I feel like it's the average strong, you know, the average strength if you were to drink any fruity, you know what I'm saying, like name brand soda. I would say like it's strong like Fanta. You get what I'm saying? Like that's what I would compare it to. Yum. Really good. Really good. Okay. Y'all, I was like, it's not gonna be no full mukbang. I'm gonna do a quick short. And then your girl sat here and just started grubbing down. If I got any people that got kids, comment down below. And let me know if you done your school shopping yet. Or if your kids already started school. Some people already back in school. My baby not yet. Y'all, this salad is pretty impressive. And to be a salad brought out. Pretty good. And then the chicken is bland. I'm going to just say that. I got grilled chicken. Bland. No flavor. Okay? But outside of that, y'all, to be a salad from a restaurant, and I don't mean like, well, it is a sit-down restaurant, but it's just like a grab and go. It's really good. That's one thing I can say. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have that hot sauce, y'all. Bomb. Delicioso. Y'all, my sinuses has been tearing me up, y'all. And I know for sure, like, I'm not getting the ear infection because my ear don't hurt. But, y'all, my ear feels like when I talk, stuff like that. Or, like, I'm trying to see. I just think it's like when I talk and stuff. My ear feel like a little stopped up. But I know like that's sinuses. But y'all, I'm scared to take any I'm scared because I had a headache. I've been having like a slight headache for the last couple of days too. So I know that that's like sinuses, but I'm scared to take any like type of decongestion medicine right now. Because y'all, I don't want to be like snotting and all that type of stuff on my birthday. You feel what I'm saying? Like, that's not cute. So, y'all, I've just been praying that it go away. But after my birthday, I'll start taking me some medicine. That's crazy, ain't it? I know. But y'all get what I'm saying, like, ain't nobody trying to be all snotty and sniffing and, you get what I'm saying, on their birthday. So, I have been taking, like, allergy pills every day. But, ain't nobody trying to be taking nothing that's gonna have me, like, post-nasal drip. That's not cute. I'm just keeping it real. Now your girl's getting full, okay? I was really determined to finish this whole salad because it's like, once you put the dressing up on it, y'all, it is done. You can't eat it the next day. It's done. It's going to be soggy. And I don't like no soggy salad. Something else about my shirt, y'all. Alright, y'all. Woo! Too good. I will definitely run this back again. And it wasn't even that expensive. It was like $7. And that's like the average. I want to say 7. Could have been like $9 at the most. But that's like the average Chick-fil-A salad. And you get more toppings than Chick-fil-A. Like, it comes with cucumbers, all that type of stuff. Black olives. You get what I'm saying? Like, if you like that type of person that like your salads like that. Because normally, the only thing I had to add was raisins and sunflower seeds. But that's just because that's what I like in mine. But, like, when I go to, like, Chipotle, and I come home, I said Chipotle. When I go to Chick-fil-A, and I come home with a salad, like, I want to add more stuff to my salad. So, I find myself adding way more things to my salad, like olives, and I don't like the cherry tomatoes. So, I like either, like the regular round tomatoes. So, then I have to add those. Excuse me, I normally have some avocados, but I don't have none of them. But, like, I like to add that. Cucumber. You get what I'm saying? Stuff that they don't really offer there. So, I like to add all that type of stuff to my salad before I can, like, grub down and eat it like how I want to eat it. Y'all can't wait to get my hair done. And I ain't lying. Okay? I cannot wait. After I get my hair done, I have to give y'all a story time. I was going to give it to y'all today, but I'm going to give it to y'all when your girl look a little better. Okay? Like, don't get me wrong. Like, in my opinion, face card never declines, okay? I think that your girl is very pretty, very beautiful, very attractive. I feel like everybody should feel like that about themselves, okay? But your girl is not looking the best. For my ladies, y'all know how I be. Like them couple of days, a day or two before that birthday. Especially like if you're not like heavy on wigs. I'm not like a heavy wig wearer. So y'all, this right here was just convenient. And it also helps, you know what I'm saying, the duration of the, you know, it helps the time of me getting my hair done. Okay? This is the first year that I'm not doing my hair for my birthday. I always do my hair for my birthday, y'all. But this year I didn't feel like it. But at the same time, I did do my hair. Because I did pre-pop my hair myself. You get what I'm saying? So, yes. So then that way we ain't got to go through that whole process or whatever else. But y'all, that is it for this video. Your girl is very full. I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, I get it. It is not the sodas that y'all was expecting. Excuse me. Oh. Excuse me. But I do have all the sodas, okay, and I think I'm gonna let y'all vote. Because at first I was like, maybe I'll try a little bit of every soda. But then it's like, y'all, that's a lot of soda. And I'm not going to complete one whole soda. So then it's going to be like the rest I'm just going to go to waste. Because I'm not going to let the kids drink all of them either. It's just too many to consume. So y'all, think I'm going to let y'all vote, y'all. Okay? So, I was going to pull them out, but I ain't doing that. It's just too many, y'all. Your girl is tired, okay? I've been out all day ripping and running y'all dead hair. I done quite a bit. So your girl is exhausted. I'm just ready to get up in the bed, y'all. I was thinking about putting my son's backpack together tonight, but I'm not. I'm going to bed. Wanna know why? Because I deserve it. So until we chat again. Until we vibe again. Until I see y'all in tomorrow's video where your girl be drinking one of these sodas for y'all, okay? Don't forget, head over there and vote for your girl, alright? I said vote for your girl like I'm running for something. Don't forget to head over there and vote for whatever soda it is y'all want me to drink for y'all tomorrow, okay, y'all? And I'll see y'all then. Now, bye!